Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to invest in $Daddy coin with Phantom wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on this reputable article. So the first step is to set up a Solana compatible wallet. So in this case it's going to be Phantom wallet, which is a user-friendly and secure wallet especially designed for the Solana ecosystem. So this wallet only works for Solana ecosystem, which is what you need. So after that, just fund your wallet with Solana token, which is SOL, and then you have to connect to a Solana DEX, which is a decentralized exchange for Solana. So it can be DBot DEX, Bulks, Photon, or Unibots. So once you have done that, just get $RNT on a DEX. After that, just swap SOL for $Daddy and $RNT. So select the token pair, choose SOL and $Daddy or $RNT from the list of available tokens. Enter the amount that you want. So specify the amount of Solana you want to swap for $Daddy or $RNT, and then just review and confirm. So once you have done all that, just store your tokens securely, just store your tokens securely on a wallet, which in this case is going to be the Phantom wallet. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.